Today is the calm before the storm. Matt and I are pulling some funds from our emergency savings because when this happened last year, we ended up snowed in for a week, and we had some warning, but and honestly, we stay stocked up pretty well. Anyways, my hair is a mess because I'm just trying to hurry and get stuff done. So number one was because they're doing as much school as they can right now. And then number two was trying to get a list to Matt of just some basic groceries, things that I'm trying to also get it in order of how the store looks, because it'd be crazy. Because, I mean, a lot of people around here, the reason why some people just panic so bad, a lot of people around here made it through the blizzard of 93, and a lot of people around here were in valleys and had no access to grocery stores, had no electricity, no water for 2 weeks when it happened. So anytime that like there's a big ice or snowstorm, a lot of people just get stranded. There is no driving safe in black ice when your roads are like this. So it's calm before the storm. Just trying to get a list to Matt before. We're not panicking. We're trying to get a list done. And I'm just kind of just sharing this as I go. But we're getting a list done of groceries, because the bad thing is normally I would go on Friday morning, payday is on Friday, and I can't do that. So when you see the grocery haul, it's going to be on the Thursday before instead of on the Friday, and he's just going and getting a couple of basic things that we're out of that we could use to stretch for hopefully no more than a week this time. It is the next morning. I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday because I changed like 3 times yesterday. Once after our walk, once after bathing the dogs, and I had to swim for a couple hours. And I'm probably going to be, if it happens, I'll be shoveling snow in it. Can't even talk. Coffee. And at this point, it's wait and see. Matt woke up to the news that we were supposed to get the snow earlier, and his work, because there's no active snow right now, I guess, still called them in for their shift, and we're waiting to see what happens. We're gonna just play it by ear. Don't really want to talk about Matt being at work right now, but we're going to play it by ear and see what happens. Like I said, last year when this happened, it snowed for like 2 days straight, and we were snowed in for a week. So, and there was no getting to the roads. So, it's waiting game time to see what happens. Sun's not even up yet. Don't even know if the sun will come up today, technically, but it's not even sunrise yet. So, I'm just going to try to get some work done and keep my phone nearby, and we'll see what happens. So Matt got home safely over an hour ago, probably closer to 2 hours ago. He took trash off while he was getting home, because I was going to do that today and while I was out doing errands. And in the past 15 minutes, yep. So the clip you saw Friday was filmed at this window, and there was, I don't think, anything all laying on the ground in that video. I just shot that video like 3 minutes ago. Let me turn you guys around. So obviously the lighting's a little different on this one, but you can see that there's layering already happening, which that's ground. And that is our road. That white strip. So, yeah. That would be why we're going nowhere until this is done. Everybody's home, everybody's safe. Family's already checked in, so we'll see how it goes from here. Are we a little overstimulated right now?
The driveway's gone.
What driveway?
Exactly.
Are we a little overstimulated right now? Did you see snow? face. Did you see snow? Do you want more snow? Do you want more snow? Oh, you want a break. Do you want more snow later? Okay. So, our driveway's gone, or otherwise known as the ski slope. What happens if you go all the way out? He can hear you. His ears keep going. That's Dad's.
He's like, but it smells like mine.
Survival? No, I turned myself on to survival. Put your
Okay, if I don't die doing this, I shall
right here.
come back victorious. He was sniffing it.
Like, as soon as he heard you come in the hallway, he's like, "Can I have it now?"
He started sniffing at it like,
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Have you tried any of the seeds I brought you? No. Everybody were having but then I find some.
He is so
Down.
overstimulated.
oh. I was like, I don't even know.
Is that kind of like whenever a Pokemon says its name?
Do it again, Madeline.
Definitely.
You do realize your dad just called you a hobbit, right? She doesn't
It's
care.
nothing she doesn't already realize.
Hey, Matt, have you seen these?
She knew that. She knew that was true whenever she couldn't reach the top shelf in the kitchen.
You see the red one that just flew up?
Is it getting heavier?
Not sure that it's getting heavier, it's just laying more. People are going way too fast up that road like it's doing nothing outside.
The more white that ends up on the road, the thicker it will be.
Oh, hey, you know what? This means that we can say bird tracks.
Yeah.